Can I set up the apparatus to deduce the amount of oxygen in the air? The experiment was left for a week and it looked like this. And we've got the water level has risen up this tube, and that'll help us work out how much oxygen is in the atmosphere. We've got a few questions now that follow this. I did one a moment ago. The experiment could be made more accurate. Which piece of equipment would you change and what would you replace it with? Well, looking at this equipment here, we're going to measure how far the water has risen up this tube, and we've got a ruler by the side of it to do that measuring. And it's not really that accurate, this test tube, is it? It's kind of curved at the top, so it's not the same diameter the whole way up, if you like. It's kind of narrowing when it gets close to the top. So the test tube is the bit we're going to replace. And what could we replace it with? Well, we could just use a measuring cylinder, couldn't we? We could upturn a small measuring cylinder, a 10 centimetre cube measuring cylinder, in place of that test tube. So the equipment changed is going to be the test tube, and we're going to replace it with a measuring cylinder. And maybe we could even give a size there. I don't think it's necessary, but I'll give a size, a 10 centimetre cube measuring cylinder. All these questions and more on ayleshamhighchemistry.com.